Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make spray paint texture in Photoshop applying A to Z method. Okay, first I will apply the brush paint. Click brush tool, right click on your mouse or see this drop down menu, select or paint spray brush. I select this, then select color. I use this color, highlight color for resize bracket. Okay, see this, go to window, click brush settings and see this many options. Texture, dual brush, noise, white edge. Okay, and another way to cross it, go to filter, oil paint, scale, shine, click OK. Another way to apply texture for spray paint, simply click effects, pattern, faint spray texture. Oh, sorry, you have sorry. Click settings and find this texture spray paint. This spray paint texture now available for this version. Simply you could go to the any browser, then download spray paint texture, then import this load pattern, add its file, then load. For automatically import this spray texture. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.